All right, Uncle Dan, it's time for a serious conversation about your health. If you love me and love the fur relative that I've brought into your life, we need to get serious about your high blood pressure. What it's actually called is hypertension, and while it's common, if you don't take care of it, it can kill you. In fact, heart disease is the number one cause of death here in America, so it's killing a lot of people. If you don't listen to your doctor and take your medication, if she prescribes it to you, you'll just be another statistic watching life go by without you there to be a part of it. High blood pressure is actually caused by a diet that's high in salt, fat, and cholesterol, or it can be caused by issues with your kidneys or even having diabetes. I assume you've been checked for these things, so I'll let that slide. You're also overweight, let's face it. It's time to put down the fries, or at least limit them to a once-a-month treat. It's no wonder why your doctor is telling you to restrict your salt intake and to lose weight, because these are keys to controlling your high blood pressure. It's also time for you to exercise, and that doesn't mean that you have to become a power lifter, a marathon runner, or an Olympic gymnast. Even a few walks around the block with the dog a day can get your exercise goals met, and it's going to make you feel better. You know that your mom and dad both died of heart conditions, so that means that you have a family history, and this is the Grim Reaper will come for you if in an untimely fashion, just like it did for them if you don't take care of yourself. Your high blood pressure is caused by something, and you have to address it. And that might be stress, it might be improper diet, it might be a lack of exercise, but you need to get it under control. High blood pressure develops over time. Blood pressure is determined by both the amount of blood your heart pumps and the amount of resistance to blood flow in your arteries. The more blood your heart pumps and the narrower your arteries, the higher your blood pressure. And your body is constantly trying to stay healthy and centered, and we call that homeostasis. When something isn't working correctly, like your blood pressure rising too high, your body has to work extra hard to maintain control, and eventually your entire cardiac system can fail. If you can't get your diet under control on your own, you may end up on medication for the rest of your life, and even that might not help in the long run. So bottom line, listen to your doctor. She's giving you the right answers and telling you how to stay alive. I don't think you have a death wish, and we all want you to be around for a good long time. Thanks.